filter went off.
Bye bye, Brandon.
You should talk to them about what it said.
I want to hold you in my arms. I love you more. Bitch. Luca loves Nancy.
Does.
I like fire.
I like fire when it talks about Francis. That was like weird that I found those.
It's a campfire.
Oh, let's get some marshmallows.
I wish. I want some marshmallows.
That's hot, babe.
No way.
Hello there.
I don't like cameras.
Not bad though.
Goodness.
Fire!
They're special. Bam.
It's warm.
What chip? What chip?
I need a stick.
Wood chip. What chip? Chip. Wood chip.
Sam, it has to be a stick.
That's pretty sick. There's one in your pants.
Stick it in the fire.
That would hurt.
We'd have wieners.
Penis on a stick. Oh, look, it's not burnt yet. Somewhere blowing. I got a cold chill. It's cold. We should really start fire down the pit. The other pit, not this little can of thing.
No cute thing.
Jamie Oliver.
There was a
Wow.
bug in it.
Ow.
We're gonna stop.
We're gonna start a fire. The only fire.
That's a
Maybe we
big.
should put some salsa in there.
No, don't. It stinks.
Got me a leaf.
Sam, what the crap?
It's gonna be on fire.
It's gonna take a while for it to get all the way down to the bottom. That's why I'm trying to rotate it up.
That's why I was gonna do it like one by one.
You and your Boy Scout.
Ow!
I was like, Christy, did they hit you? And she was like, no, I hit them.
Ah! There's a fire in the back. Fire stick.
My feet are cold.
I know, I'm cold. Oh, I
I
can't.
see how you're sitting next to a freaking fire.
Yeah, it's like really humongous, you know. It's really
Yeah, huge.
gonna get me warm.
Freaking huge.
You guys are weird. You guys are always freaking cold.
Hello. I'm gonna go Christy on y'all. Hello. That was not cool because it came toward me. I don't think I have any hair on my legs anymore.
What'd you do, blow it? That's so cool. Blow it towards Chris. His arm is gonna have like no eyebrow hair.
That's sped it up.
Go get the big fire pit so we can have it. Ah! What time are you going?
My mom's gonna pick me up at like 10:30. Did you hear a scream? Chris!
We were having fun
Daddy.
though.
That's cool smoke. Smoke! 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 Oh, it's all going to the light. That's cool looking. Bye-bye, fire. It's stinky. That's hot, babe.
Trying to make it come back to life. Come back to life.
We're gonna smell like smoke. Careful, Sam. This thing's gonna come up at your face.
No, it won't.
Yeah, well, don't lie.
There's no, like, actual paper in that's all ash. You keep blowing on it, it'll eventually all disappear, though.
What happened
There
if
we
I
go.
poured tiki on it? Would it come back to life if I poured tiki on it? Get some meat! Get some
Don't,
meat!
Sam. No. No.